Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by obtaining cold cream. Either use 500 ml heavy cream directly or chill 1 liter full cream milk for 12 hours and skim about 200 to 250 ml cream from the top. Transfer the cream to a clean bowl and cool it to about 4 degrees C in the refrigerator. This lowered temperature produces firmer fat globules and a better yield. If you only have whole milk, let it sit refrigerated until a visible cream layer forms, then gently skim that layer for churning. Place the cold cream in a mixer, processor, or a tightly sealed jar for small batches and begin churning at medium speed. Agitate continuously for roughly 5 to 15 minutes. First, you will see whipped cream, then a grainy texture, and finally a clear separation into yellow butter solids and pale buttermilk. Stop when solids cluster and liquid is visible. Strain the buttermilk into a container and save it for baking or drinking. If you want salted butter, knead in 1/4 teaspoons salt per 225 g of butter. After separating, transfer butter solids to a bowl and rinse under cold running water while pressing with a spatula. Repeat until the rinse water runs clear and no cloudy liquid remains. Squeeze or knead gently to expel trapped buttermilk because leftover liquid shortens shelf life. Shape the butter into a log or pack into a container, cover tightly, and refrigerate at about 4 degrees C. Use within 2 weeks in the fridge, or freeze well wrapped for up to 3 months. Thaw in the refrigerator before use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.